Her mom keeps taking it from her. I think dog like is scared of them, scared of going outside. Not sure.